Did you know there's a person who can generate millions of dollars with a single click? Not a bank, not a hedge fund, not even a traditional company. A YouTuber. His name is Jimmy Donaldson, also known as MrBeast. But this is not just a story about a guy giving away money. This is something much bigger. We are watching, in real time, the creation of the first internet-born economic empire. And the most dangerous part, almost nobody truly understands how it works. Because this isn't just entertainment, it's financial engineering disguised as viral content. Welcome to Beast Finances. Okay, in today's economy, attention is more valuable than money. If you control attention, you control money. A thumbnail is not just an image, it's a weapon, a scientific experiment, a battlefield. Before a video is even published, thousands of dollars are spent testing colors, facial expressions, contrast. Everything is optimized. They even analyze where your eyes land in milliseconds. This is hacking human attention. But the click is just the beginning. The real battle starts after the first 10 seconds decide everything. If the video doesn't hook you instantly, it's over. No long intros. No wasted time. Every second has a purpose. To keep you watching, to avoid boredom, to reward your brain. This is not random. It's precise dopamine management. Now, here's what most people don't understand. MrBeast is not just a creator. He's a business strategist. Most creators sell their audience to brands. They work for someone else. But MrBeast did the opposite. He built his own products. He eliminated the biggest costs in business. Customer acquisition. Traditional companies spend millions on advertising. TV, billboards, marketing campaigns. MrBeast doesn't need any of that. Every video is entertainment, marketing, and distribution. All at the same time. It's like making money before selling anything. This creates an infinite reinvestment loop. He makes videos, earns money, reinvests, grows, and repeats. Each time bigger, more viral, more powerful. What looks like generosity is also a strategy. He's building global trust, and trust is priceless. This is not just a YouTube channel, it's an institution. Creators won't depend on platforms. They will become the platforms. The real asset is data. What you watch, what you like, what keeps you engaged. That is real power. Now imagine what comes next. Banking, fintech, global expansion. This is the future. The winner is not who has the best product, it's who controls attention. Wealth is built online now. In content, in algorithms, in attention. If you understand this, you're ahead of 99%. Subscribe now. This is Beast Finances. Okay, and this is just the beginning.